Retired Sergeant John Sharkey, formerly of Youghal Garda Station, gave evidence that after Richard Satchwell formally reported 45-year-old Tina missing on the 11th of May 2017, they launched a formal inquiry involving a CCTV trawl, social media and news campaigns and house-to-house inquiries. And after that was fruitless, he formed the opinion at the start of June that something criminal may have occurred. He obtained a warrant to search the family home on Grattan Street, and that was carried out on the 7th of June. Mr Satchwell wasn't home, but was informed about it by phone. Under cross-examination by Defence Counsel Brendan Grehan, Sergeant Sharkey confirmed that in order to obtain the warrant, he swore that Mr Satchwell had stated that there had been violence in the relationship and that Tina assaulted him, and that he also swore that he suspected Tina had been injured or incapacitated by a criminal event. He agreed that it wasn't intended to be a cursory search, describing it as very thorough, involving a specialist Garda team and lasting around 11 hours. Garda Cathal Whelan told the court that he took photos during the search and noticed the stairs were made out of new, untreated, unpainted wood, and the wall at the side was unpainted plasterboard which looked relatively new, while there also appeared to be a new red brick wall under the stairs. He described the house as being untidy and unkempt, with dog faeces on the floor, a bird cage which hadn't been cleaned in a long time, and unwashed dishes. Detective Garda Daniel Holland from Middleton gave evidence that he had a general conversation with Mr Satchwell the day after the search, in which he asked him about thousands of euro worth of money transfers that were discovered, saying Mr Satchwell claimed they were to purchase marmoset monkeys, mentioned that Tina had assaulted him, and that he was concerned that the publicity around the case might be a barrier to her return. The jury also began viewing and hearing lengthy media interviews with several news outlets this afternoon, in which Mr Satchwell appealed for information about Tina's disappearance. The remains of Tina Satchwell were found buried in her home in October 2023. 58-year-old Richard Satchwell has pleaded not guilty to her murder. The trial continues tomorrow. Nicole Gernan, Virgin Media News at the Central Criminal Court.